The opportunity you've been waiting for just went live. UFMS has officially released the selection notice for 2027 Masters and Doctorate programs. But before you rush to the portal, there is a critical detail about this year's process that could determine whether you are accepted or disqualified before you even start. First, the news everyone wants to hear: registration are completely free. From August 20th to October 5th, the doors for application are open to both Brazilians and international candidates. Last year, to the glory of God, lot of people got this opportunity through this channel and are already studying there now. There is no application fee for this opportunity. However, free doesn't mean easy. In fact, in the last one, some of the known applicants who couldn't get to the interview stage failed, not because of their research, but because they missed a single requirement in the document. To succeed, you need to navigate a series of specific annexes. Think of this as your roadmap to 2027. Some are standard, others are the make or break factor for your application. Now, here is what you are up against. Annexes 1 and 2 defines the playing field for your specific graduate programs. Annex 3 reveals the most important number, the actual vacancies. This is where you see exactly how much competition you have. Annexes 7 through 11, that is the gauntlet. This is where your proof of knowledge, your pre-project, defense, and your curriculum analysis happen. This is where the selection actually is won or lost. But there is a catch. Regarding these annexes is not enough. You have to understand how they connect to the general notice. If your document on the portal don't align perfectly with the specific requirement of your course in Annex 4, your registration stops there. Before I review one of the tips that gave us a bountiful acceptance letter from this school last year, let's take a look at the list of available courses. So you have to click this link right here and it's going to take us to where the courses are listed. So here we have specialization in accounting and controller management. We have master's degree in social anthropology, master's degree in education, master's degree in natural resources, master's in agronomy, master in nursing, master's degree in production engineering, master's degree in geography, doctorate in natural science, master in computer science, master's degree in letters, master's degree in accounting science, master's degree in environmental technology, master's degree in material science, doctorate in geography, doctorate in material science, doctorate in environmental technologies, master's degree in science teaching, doctorate in science education, doctorate in computer science, master's degree in movement science, doctorate in education, master's degree in applied computing, master's degree in chemistry, master's degree in family health, doctorate in agronomy, master's degree in veterinary science, master's degree in biotechnology, master's degree in electrical engineering, master's degree in language studies, master's degree in border studies, doctorate in chemistry, master's degree in animal biology, master's degree in health and development in Midwest region, doctorate in health and development in Midwest region, doctorate in letters, doctorate in border studies, doctorate in animal biology, doctorate in biotechnology, master's degree in education, doctorate in language studies, master's degree in animal science, master's degree in nursing, doctorate in veterinary science, master's degree in ecology and conservation, master's degree in pharmaceutical sciences, doctorate in ecology and conservation, master's degree in energy and efficiency sustainability, doctorate in pharmaceutical sciences, master's degree in architecture and urbanism, master's degree in education as well, master's degree in plant biology, doctorate in animal science, doctorate in plant biology, master's degree in administration, master's degree in infectious and parasitic diseases, doctorate in infectious and parasitic diseases as well, master's degree in psychology, doctorate in administration, master's degree in philosophy, doctorate in education, doctorate in communication, master's degree in communication, master's degree in education again, master's degree in cultural studies, master's degree in geography, master's degree in mathematical education, and doctorate in mathematics education. You must have noticed that there are some places where there is like a repetition of same course, but if you look closely you will see that they are in different campuses, so it is valid. And this university is one of those universities in Brazil, the few universities in Brazil that do what we know as unified admission process. So you can see the deadline of all the courses is the same. That is, everything is going to close on the 5th of October. So guys, if you're interested in any of this one, it is right time for you to to make your application. Now, there's something important I want to reveal to you, and I'm going to be showing it to you. Let's look for one of these courses for us to do a simulation. So the first one is specialization. So let's just take the second one, which is the direct master. So if I click this part, it's going to take us right to this place. So in case you haven't done your login, you may need to create login and all before you may be able to get to this part. So once you get to here, you can click inscriber C or apply, and the PEC-G, it is proceed. So now I told you that I'm going to share with you one of the tips that made us to get so many acceptance letter from this school. They are there right in this school. Some of them might be seeing this video. If you are watching this video and you got the admission last year, I want you to drop a like. And here you can see the type of the vacancies. We have affirmative action, qualified FMS, then we have qualified UFMS. So here towards your right hand side, you will see what is known as the jobs. That is the number of vacancies that they are given to each of these ones. So here is where you are going to choose if you want to apply here. So one of the tips I want to tell you that depending on the course you want to apply to, always look for if there is an affirmative action for black or specifically for foreigner. If there is, please make sure you submit your application under that category. This is one of the tips that I use. Besides writing a sound proposal, it is also important that you apply under a very good quota, so to say. So guys, I'm wishing you best of luck in your application. So from here, you can just click advance. There it's going to be taking you, and you will complete the application and you will get to where you need to submit. Don't forget, I can also help you to make this application on your behalf, and I will apply my experience. If you're interested, you can let me know. Send a message to me on Instagram, or you can send a message to me via the email in the channel description. Okay, I'm wishing everyone that's going to be applying best of luck. People that are going to be watching this video, they are already in this school and they got this opportunity by watching the video I made about this school last year. Again, if you're looking for someone that can help you to make the application, write a proposal to create a winning latest CV. Lately, I've been seeing the way some people have been doing their latest CV, and it is laughable, just to say the least. But don't let us say too much about that. I'm wishing everyone that's going to be applying best of luck. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share. Don't forget that we rise by lifting others. You might not be for you, it might be for someone else who is interested in Brazil. Please send this video to them. Share it in any of the Telegram group or WhatsApp group that you belong to, where there are graduate school enthusiasts, people looking for opportunity to study in Brazil. So share it with them, and I'm praying that God will grant you success in your endeavor. I will see you in the next one. Até breve. Ciao, ciao.